like a
dripping. I got you dripping like a waterfall. Dripping. I got you dripping like a waterfall. Dripping like a dripping like a waterfall. Dripping like a dripping like a waterfall. Told you to skip school when you like that. You was like, okay, I'll be right back. Let me hit up my homegirls right here. And I was like, damn, they dying to come with you. We gon' slide through. One homeboy's on the way too. So we gon' go to the crib and chill. And I'ma have to show you just what I can do.
like a
Drippin', I got you drippin' like a waterfall. Drippin', I got you drippin' like a waterfall. Drippin' like a drippin' like a waterfall. Drippin' like a drippin' like a waterfall. Drippin' like a I tell you was nervous when we got to the crib. I took you to the room and got you settled in.
like a
When you climbed on top of me and started kissing, felt that water through the panties, it was dripping. And I know that you was ready then. That's why I got you
like a
drippin'. I got you drippin' like a waterfall. Drippin'. I got you drippin' like a waterfall. Drippin' like a drippin' like a waterfall. Drippin' like a drippin' like a waterfall. Drippin' like a waterfall. It's 8 years later. We got 1 daughter, 2 sons. I guess that's what they mean. When they say things were meant to be.